Alright, YouTubers, the moon is out again. So are a couple planets. Should be Saturn and Jupiter. First, let's take a look at the moon.
I purposely didn't edit out it trying to focus.
I'm holding in my hand, so it's a little difficult. When you zoomed in, see how close we can get. It's all the way. This camera does it really well. Alright, now let's find Saturn. I think that's Jupiter. You have to take my word for it. That should be Jupiter. This thing is fully out there. I look at my hand and I'm not moving at all. But obviously it is. Alright, there's the moon. I'll try again. Well, I can't get the camera to pick it up. So I guess we'll say goodnight from Mackinac to the moon. This is a Panasonic Lumix. A pretty good job. Alright. Have a great and wonderful day. Night. It's almost midnight.
YouTubers, this is the pool at the Quaden Casino, hot tub. They also have the shower there, and since I don't usually shower in my RV, take a little shampoo in there and I shower, and it has beautiful views out to Lake Huron. And before I get to the bike ride, which is going to be at the end, the bike ride is just going to the boat. This is the RV parking area. There's about 24 hookups, and as you can see, a lot of people just park in the parking lot. I think at 15 bucks, this place is a pretty good deal. And I might throw some music in here as I show you some food. The restaurant's not too bad. Soup and salad, unlimited. It's pretty good. Again, nice views of the lake. And I got my money's worth. I ate as many plates as I could. Not great, not Vegas style, but ice cream is always good. And decent food. And that's the casino. There's Cousin Eddie. And also other people park closer to the casino, and you can park there for free. And here's some views in St. Ignace. Again, no Mackinac Island in this video.
There's some geese that I missed landing. I just like when they land and take off. But didn't catch it this time.
Alright, YouTubers, this might not make sense, but this is an old putt-putt course that's closed down. And the reason I stopped here is the Wi-Fi at the Quaden Casino in St. Ignace is terrible. Just horrible. But this is very close to two hotels that have pretty good Wi-Fi. So I was able to come here and use the Wi-Fi for a little bit. So there's an idea. This is a restaurant when I was up here last fall. They had pretty good food. I did not eat here this time. And these are more scenes from the waterfront and St. Ignace. We'll throw some music in now. There's a lot of these signs in town, so the easy solution, park wherever you want during the day, plenty of room at the casino at night. This is funny, I've been trying to go to this place for years, but I always caught it closed. So I finally made it, and I gotta be 100% honest. They recommended the chicken one, and I didn't like it. It was dry. To me, it just wasn't a good pasty. Sorry for not taking more pictures. I ended up talking to a couple in a Class B that had taken the same Canadian trip I did. But sadly, I don't like bad-mouthing places, but I don't recommend their pasty. Maybe I caught them on a bad day, but I can't recommend them. Back to the casino and some more music. Look, I found Eddie's twin brother. Or sister. I can't be sure, I didn't check the undercarriage. But there was actually a lot of Class Bs here. Somebody painted their truck to look like the RV, and most people hate the paint schemes on RVs. I don't know. The grounds of Quadden Casino St. Ignace are actually quite nice. This is the view from the casino and hotel. This is the view of the casino hotel. I should be going back to Ohio soon. Dayton, Ohio. Keep asking myself, why do I live in Ohio? Why do I live in Dayton, Ohio? I don't know. It's a good place to travel from. This, if I haven't already mentioned, is Lake Huron. This is not Lake Superior. This is not Lake Michigan. This is Lake Huron. I was in it the other day, and it was cold. And I got my hand right in there, and 2 inches of water, and it is cold. But it's beautiful. Great and wonderful day. If it applies at this point. Not too bad staying at a casino. 15 bucks a night. Water, electric, dump station. Don't give them too much money. Maybe take a little bit of theirs. Drink their free soda. Drink their free coffee. That's a pretty good deal. Alright. Now, great and wonderful day. As always, a little rain for me, and because it was towards the end of my trip, running low on food, I did eat at the casino a couple times, and it's pretty good. Now on to the bike. All right, YouTubers, gonna get pedaling. Gonna get down to the boat place. Alright, it's a couple miles down this road. You don't need to see it all. And you keep pedaling. And across the road. And you keep pedaling here for a while. And did I mention you keep pedaling? And you keep pedaling. Cut across the road when I can. And now there's a sidewalk so you don't get run over.
and you keep pedaling. Trying to make the noon. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
I will add, if you're in St. Ignace and you're looking for a good pasty, I recommend this building right here on the right. It's called Lato's. I did make the noon ferry on Shepler's, more on that later, with about 2 minutes to spare. So I did make it to Mackinac Island. There's the Grand Hotel, but there'll be a couple videos on that in the future. Hope you enjoyed this and have a great and wonderful day.